What's up guys, it's Mark here, and today we're gonna be doing a little bit of an unboxing from one of our clients at Breadloaf. This is a client we've been working with for quite a few months now. It's called Würkin Stiffs. They are really cool brand. They were actually on Shark Tank years ago, and they make a couple of really awesome products. So we're gonna be doing a little unboxing today. And as you can see, we're gonna go through what we've got inside here. We have a little quote here. It says, "We don't know how to break it to you, but you're a bit of a mess. Let's get you cleaned up." They make a lot of products that help men dress better, stay a little bit more fitted and clean. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is this really cool lint roller. I love lint rollers. I have a husky. He gets hair all over me, so I'm really excited to use this lint roller. Here's a couple of the hero products that they actually make. This is awesome. These are the power stays, and the power stays are really cool because what you do is you put them on your collar. When you put these on your collar, you actually keep your collar in order. I don't know about you, but I have so many damn collared shirts that always fall apart, and I'm dying to keep that collar stay, so I'm really excited to use these. These are the stick and stays and the power buttons. They're two variations of the hero product where you can like stick it on there if you can't necessarily put it on. So these stick and stays would work really well if you have like a golf shirt with a golf collar and you want to keep that sticking and right on. We've got a little kit right here of everything that you would need. So we got some nail clippers, we got some tweezers, we got everything you need. A little set here, that's awesome. And then we have a garment shield. Blocks stains, repels liquids, and protects clothing. Can't wait to try this. This is a little unboxing from my good friends and one of my favorite clients right now, Würkin Stiffs. If you're looking for any great gifting ideas for this holiday seasons, you definitely need to take a look at Würkin Stiffs, especially, like I said, the power stays. These products make a perfect gift this holiday season, and I hope you guys give them a shot. So thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.